Okay guys, on today's video we're going to be changing the mirror on this 09 Jeep Commander. So, first thing you got to do is figure out why you need to replace your mirror. This one is obvious, it's kind of broken. Sometimes the power motors and stuff goes out too. Or sometimes you get hit and knock the whole mirror off. And it needs replaced. So that's what we're doing today. We're replacing this mirror with a brand new aftermarket mirror. Look how nice. Now this video was made possible by Rob's Paint Shop. Check him out in the description below. And let's get started. First thing you need to do is open your door up, because you're going to have to take your door panel off. Yes, or just lift it out of the way. So we need to find all the bolts. You got one 4-way bolt here, and you got one 4-way bolt right there, and you got one bolt hidden behind this little guy. Okay, next step is fire up on this right here. Once you get that, you can go ahead and unplug your 3 plug-ins and remove this switch out of the way, and tuck your wires back inside. Next, you want to get you one of these tools. These is very handy, and you want to come under the door and pop it loose all down through here and work your way up to the top. You can feel the clips when they pop loose, and then you can come on this side and pop them loose, and they all clip right in here too. So let me go ahead and do that. Once you get your panel, you can lift it and it kind of will balance itself right here. You just pop all your clips out, lift up, and it will pretty well come over. Once you get that, down here you got 2 more plug-ins. One here and one here. Well, you got 3 more plug-ins. And you got one right here to the mirror. Now we are not taking this door panel completely off. We are replacing the mirror. So I need to unplug this power mirror and then feed it through. You can pull this off just like so. Now you have 3 bolts, and you got one there, and you got one more big bad boy right in here. So the bolts are one here, and one here. Guys, once you get your 3 bolts out, well, there's 3 nuts. It is a size, what size did we use? Can't even see it, my camera won't focus. Size 8. Now you can get you a helper, and it does got a tab to hold on. Help hold the mirror on with the new mirror, and the old mirror does too, but sometimes them tabs is weak and it can fall off and damage your paint. So get you a helper unless you're feeling lucky. Feed your new wires through like so, and then just insert your new mirror. And as I said before, sometimes the tabs don't hold too good. So don't rely on the tabs. You get your 3 bolts, and don't over tighten them. This is plastic and they will break. You just want to snug them up. Next, you can pretty well reinstall this piece the same way it came off. It just feeds up through there, and then goes in here. Just like so. Now plug your new mirror into the plug-in, which is down here. And lift your door panel up and set it back in place. Pop all your clips back in place and insert your screws that you used to take out, which is 3 4-ways. Okay, this will just plug in the same way you unplugged it, and then just mashes down and gets in. Just mashes down and held in place. Next thing you want to do before you finish up and put your tools away, you just box this brand new mirror, get in the Jeep, and adjust it and make sure it works. And the mirror works out great. And you want to adjust it where you can see pretty good. Okay. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check it down in the description below about Rob's Paint Shop. And be sure to hit that subscribe button to the channel. And until the next video, we'll see you then. Thank you for watching.